Here in Shanghai, even beneath a 30-year-old sluice gate, you'll find some serious next-level tech. The Donggou Sluice Gate in Shanghai's Pudong area has long shouldered the heavy responsibilities of regional water regulation, flood control, drainage, navigation, and tidal blocking. But after nearly 3 decades of service, how do you inspect the underwater infrastructure for hidden dangers? And how exactly is the Chasing Underwater Infrastructure Inspection solution changing the game? For the longest time, routine inspections of traditional water conservancy hubs relied mostly on manual, land-based visual checks. But beneath the surface, a tangled web of discarded steel plates, scattered rocks on the riverbed, and the unknown risks of structural aging formed an unreachable black box. Enter the CHASING X ROV, introducing a far more scientific, collaborative approach. Sonar screening plus visual verification. At the Donggou Sluice, underwater visibility is less than 20 centimeters, yet the operation area spans a massive 4,320 square meters. Faced with extremely muddy waters and a massive coverage area, the imaging sonar mounted on the ROV cuts right through the murk. It rapidly scans a wide area to map out the acoustic contours of the wing walls and base plates, pinpointing debris buildup and suspected anomalies with absolute accuracy. Next, the ROV closes in on the target. Using its muddy water camera to pierce through the suspended particles, it accurately records structural damages that are practically invisible to the naked eye, like cracked joints, localized hollowing, and corroded metal parts. Effortlessly tackling the challenge of blind exploration across thousands of square meters, it allows the on-site team to lock onto high-risk areas in no time. Before this, operations and maintenance teams had to spend a fortune hiring commercial divers for underwater operations just once every few years. Not only was it difficult to conduct a comprehensive and objective inspection, but the divers were also constantly at risk of being entangled or cut by underwater debris. These verbal reports, based solely on a diver's tactile feedback and subjective experience, often lacked precise coordinates and intuitive imagery. This made it incredibly difficult for engineers on shore to make scientific maintenance decisions, frequently leading to misjudgments and ineffective obstacle clearing. The arrival of the Chasing Underwater Infrastructure Inspection solution empowers engineers to get ahead of structural deterioration. They can now prioritize obstacle clearing, pinpoint re-inspections, and expert assessments, drastically minimizing the waste of resources and downtime risks caused by blind troubleshooting. It is actively building a normalized, traceable data health record for long-serving water facilities, ensuring that underwater maintenance is finally driven by hard data.